The theme of cooperation, specialization, and openness is repeated consistently at all levels of life. As we just described, specialized organelles made eukaryotic life possible. Specialized cells make multicellular life possible. We'll discuss tissues, organs, organ systems, and organisms. Evidence suggests that the development of multicellular life started with eukaryotic cells living together in colonies and benefiting from cooperation. For example, certain cells were able to produce amino acids that others could not. This led to the evolution of specialized cells, cells that became better able to perform unique functions and produce unique products. This system of mutual interactions allowed the colony of cells to become more efficient. Every cell was able to contribute to the well-being of the colony and got what it needed from neighboring cells. This required open cells that could interact with other open cells. Unicellular life to colonies to cell specialization to tissues. Cells have evolved over time to perform specific functions in the human body. Their structures support their functions. Similar cells group together to form tissues. Stem cells start out as generic cells that can develop into different cells with specific functions. Bone cells are made up of minerals, are strong, and form the skeletal system. Groups of bone cells are a type of connective tissue. Red blood cells carry oxygen and a protein, hemoglobin, to other cells in the body. White blood cells, lymphocytes, fight infections. Platelets clot the blood in response to cuts. Muscle cells group together in muscle tissue that are used to move different parts of the body. There are three types. Skeletal moves the bones under the direction of conscious thought. Voluntary muscle that is striated, long bands of fibers that alternate in color from light to dark. Cardiac, heart muscle that works without thought, involuntary muscle that is striated. Smooth, involuntary smooth muscle that forms the inside of organs, like the stomach, kidneys, lungs, and intestines. Fat cells, stores fat molecules and produces hormones. Skin cells, multiple types of cells that protect the body from external bacteria and injuries, maintain a constant body temperature, conserve water, and protect the nerves that respond to external stimuli. Nerve cells communicate directions from the brain to all parts of the body, carry signals from body organs to the brain for action. Endothelial cells, inner linings of the cardiovascular and lymphatic systems, blood vessels, brain, lungs, and heart. Sex cells, gametes that are used for reproduction. The egg cell is from the female and sperm cells are from the male. The egg is much larger than sperm cells. Pancreatic cells secrete hormones to regulate body functions, such as insulin, which controls blood sugar levels, and digestive enzymes to process food into useful molecules. Cancer cells, cells that divide uncontrollably and spread out through the body to disrupt normal body functions.